In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive sidebar menu in Figma. Open Figma and head into a design file so we can set up the canvas. Begin by selecting the Frame tool from the top bar. Frames are the foundation in Figma. They act like artboards, so choosing the right one helps you design at a realistic size. From the presets, pick a desktop frame. This gives us a comfortable width and a familiar context for a typical app layout. Next, we'll sketch the sidebar. Open the Shapes menu and choose the Rectangle tool. Then draw a tall rectangle along the left side of the frame. This will be the base of the menu. Make it span the full height of the frame and set its width to a comfortable size that leaves plenty of room for your main content to the right. With the rectangle selected, change its fill color to black. A dark sidebar is a classic pattern because it makes icons and labels easy to read when they're lighter. If you prefer, you can adjust the opacity slightly for a softer look, but solid black works well for contrast. Now let's add visuals for the menu items. Open the Plugins menu and launch the Icons 8 plugin. Plugins are a great way to speed up your workflow and keep your style consistent. In Icons 8, search for an icon that fits your first menu item. Something like a dashboard or home icon is a good starting point. Insert the icon into your frame, drag it over the sidebar, and size it so it feels balanced. Keep margins consistent from the top and left edges so everything lines up cleanly. Beside the icon, add a text layer and type the label for your menu item. Use a clear, readable font and set the color to white or a light gray to ensure strong contrast against the black background. Adjust the font size so it pairs well with the icon. Neither element should overpower the other. Position the text to the right of the icon with a comfortable gap. Make a few refinements so everything feels polished. Align the icon and text vertically and give the row even padding from the sidebar edges. Duplicate the icon and text pair to build out additional menu rows, keeping spacing consistent as you go. Rename your layers for clarity and group each icon and text pair so it's easy to move and manage. If you plan to add interactions later, this structure will make hover and active states simple to prototype. And that's it. A clean, scalable sidebar menu ready for interactivity and expansion in your design.